Hi, this is Peter. I'm here at my new listing in Novato, California at 323 Silvio Lane. This home is located in the southern part of Novato in a beautiful Cheddar Knolls region. This home has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, but the greatness about this place is the central location in Novato. You have quick access to the highway, you have shopping centers 2 miles away, and you have retail shopping centers, theaters, hospital, all within a 2-mile radius of this home. Also, you see behind me, there's some hills with some trails, very dog and cat friendly neighborhood. Come on in, take a look at the home with me and see what you think and let me know. Have a great day and love where you live. Bye-bye.